Hi everyone, welcome back to Haiti Eats. I'm Rudy and today we are making mayimoulen ak Aransò, aka mayimoulen free ou mayimoulen free. You'll need coarse ground cornmeal, tomato, desalted smoked herring, oil, blended spice, épices, garlic, and 1 scotch bonnet pepper, tomato paste, okra, cream cheese or butter, water, and salt to taste. To prepare the okra, start by trimming the top and the bottom and then cut it in half or in four. And again, it really depends on how mature the pot is. Then chop it to your liking. Add oil to a hot pan, followed by the okra, and fry until golden. Add the desalted smoked herring and let it fry as well for about 2 to 3 minutes, followed by the tomato paste. Add a little bit of water to the tomato paste to dilute it. That will help the tomato paste to brown faster. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes and add water as needed. Add the chopped tomato, stir the mixture, and add a little bit of water to soften the tomato. Cover it up and let it cook for about 5 minutes, but you have to make sure you check it so it doesn't burn. Look at this, isn't this beautiful? This just makes me happy. Oh my gosh, wow, look. That's the reason you have to make sure it doesn't burn. Oh my goodness, oh my gosh. Anyways, then add the épices, the blended spice with the garlic. Cook it for about 2 minutes. Water or chicken broth with the salt and the scotch bonnet pepper. At this point, you can add any type of herbs that you like, but I'm only using the scotch bonnet pepper for flavor. Cover it up and let it boil on high. In the meantime, go ahead and wash the coarse ground cornmeal to remove the chaff because it's harder to digest and also harder to cook. Add the cornmeal to the boiling water and start to stir it as soon as possible. Keep on stirring until it starts to simmer to prevent it from clumping together. So it's important that you keep on stirring for at least 2 to 3 minutes or until it starts to simmer. Reduce the heat to medium once the mixture starts to bubble and then cover it up and wait until all the water is evaporated. Once all the water is evaporated, go ahead and remove the hot pepper and start to mix it very fast. This process is known as bat mayimoulen. It literally means beat the cornmeal. Beating the cornmeal will help the dish to get a very beautiful gooey texture. So it is very important that you beat it for about 5 minutes. If there's a hole in the lid, add a piece of plastic, aluminum foil, or parchment paper first before adding the lid to the pot, and then reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's cooked, add the butter or the cream cheese and mix it very well, and then it's ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment or any type of suggestions or requests in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. Bien manger. Bye bye now.